-30. iPhone microphone.
Okay, hello guys, I'm back. I've just uploaded the other video of me playing my game, and I'm now going to use my sandwich press as a toaster oven because I'm kind of getting hungry and I need something to eat, so I'm going to muck around a little bit on recording. That's what I'm going to do. So, I'm going to get the butter out of the fridge and I'm going to I want Nutella on toast, so I'm going to get the butter out and I'm going to get the Nutella out because I really want Nutella on toast, and I have the propensity for wasting bread, so I have to be careful not to do that. Like, I have to be seriously careful because I waste a lot of bread, which I'm not very happy about. So, I'm going to get a plate. I'm going to get some bread out. Try not to get too much. I could just do a couple of bits of bread or something, just to have a go at making some toast. It doesn't have to be a lot of bread. It just has to be a couple of bits so I don't waste it. Now it's going back in the freezer because you know what I'm like with me forgetting. When I put bread out, I forget to put it away and then it goes fucking mouldy, and I don't want that. So, oh God. Oh. I'm going to do a fucking test. And I'm going to make some toast because I'm hungry. I've got to take my rubbish out tomorrow before it gets too full. I take mine out every Monday or Tuesday now because then I literally don't have to worry about it until next week. Every Monday or Tuesday the rubbish goes out. If it's not Monday, it'll be Tuesday. So then I don't have to worry about the freaking bin on Wednesday or bloody Thursday. Yeah. Good. Right. I'm also going to do some housework tomorrow. Oh crap, I'm meant to go to the shops too. If worst comes to worst, I'll probably end up getting something from Uber Eats, but I'm hoping to make it to the shops in the morning. If I don't, it's not going to be the end of the world. If I don't make it to the shops in the morning, really, it doesn't need to be the end of the freaking world. I'm going to do my toast. Just going to set this down. I'm going to turn this on. And I'm going to wait for it to get hot. And I'm going to go...
Timer only. 1, 2, 3 minutes.
About... how long? 3 minutes.
Timer only. 3 minutes.
And hope that my toast doesn't freaking burn. I want to see if I can use my sandwich press as a toaster oven. And if it works, it works. If it doesn't, well, bugger it. Okay, it's hot now. It's rightio. Because I want some Nutella on toast, and if I like it, I'm going to have a couple more bits of toast if I happen to like the way it has worked out. Because I don't want to buy another fucking stupid toaster, because if you get a 2-slice toaster, it gets to where, like, after about 3 months, it starts to only cook one side of the stupid toast. And that kind of ticks me off. Kind of yeah, kind of gets me if I have to, you know, do that. Just gets me, that's all. I can smell the toast cooking. I can. I'm going to use, what am I going to use to pick up my light toast? I'm going to use some tongs to pick them up. Because it's going to be kind of too hot. Just have to wait for it to finish.
1 minute.
Oh yeah, it's got 1 minute, 16
remaining.
seconds left. Right. It's going to take a while to actually toast the toast. It's definitely working. And I'm using tongs so that I don't have to fucking burn myself when I touch the sandwich press with my tongs. Plus the surface of the sandwich maker is coated with Teflon, so you need to use Teflon or like silicone, Teflon coated or silicone tongs. So yeah.
11 seconds remaining.
Okay. Yep. Getting ready to turn that off because it will not turn itself off. You've got to actually turn it off.
Complete.
Okay. Now I've made me bits of toast. Hang on. I'm just got to figure out where the fucking bread is. Okay, I've got the bread. Oh, that come out perfectly. Oh, that come out, oh my god, that come out good. So then you got to touch it with tongs or otherwise you can burn yourself. So I've got to find out where the toast is and then carefully, oh no, I haven't picked it up properly, oh, shit. Okay, pick up the toast with my tongs. If you don't do that, you can hurt yourself. This toast has come out good. Oh my god, it's come out good, man. Oh, it's come out excellent. I'm going to do some more toast soon. Oh my god. This toast has come out good. Oh, I love it. This is better than, because you can either make a toasted sandwich, or if you don't want one, you put the toast on the sandwich maker. Oh, yum. Oh, this works good. I'm just going to butter my toast and put some Nutella on there. Oh, this is good because it's cooked both sides. Oh, this is good. This is excellent. It's actually cooked my toast properly. So now I can make real, like, actual toasted sandwiches, or I don't have to. It's totally up to me. Oh, this is amazing. Okay, I'm definitely getting up to have toast for brekkie in the morning. I'm back to having toast again. I'm using my sandwich maker as a toaster oven. Oh, God. Oh, this is beautiful. This has worked out perfectly. Oh. So you can either choose to make sandwiches, or you can make individual slices of toast. You know, you can toast individual slices of bread on the sandwich maker, which I would highly recommend. Like, if you put the bread together, it can be hard for the... Like, if you put two bits of bread on top of each other and try and toast that, the underside of the bread could be a little bit soft. So, like, toasting two bits of bread on top of each other will make the cooking uneven. So you've got to put one piece of toast on the bed of the sandwich press, then the other piece on the other side, and cook it in one layer, or it's not going to make an even cook. It won't cook both sides evenly if you don't put both pieces of bread flat on the sandwich bed, on the bed of the, sandwich maker. Oh, yum, it cooked my toast evenly.
iPhone.
Oh, this is good, man. This is good. I'm going to have a couple more bits of toast after this. Oh. So, like, my other option is I can actually do toasties with Nutella on the bread already, or I can toast the bread two at a time and butter and spread Nutella on toast, on the buttered toast. It's totally optional. Oh, this is good. I can do 2 bits of toast at a time, and then if I'm not hungry, I don't have to have a lot of toast. I can just have a little bit of toast. I can buy the thick toast bread again. I can buy the thick toast bread again. I don't have to worry about getting the thin sandwich bread. I mean, sandwich toast is nice, but I like, when the toast is cooking properly, if I can cook it correctly, I like the really thick toast. Oh, yum. Oh, this is beautiful. I'm definitely having more toast for brekkie tomorrow. Definitely. Now that I can use my sandwich press as a fucking toast maker. Oh, this is good. I like to have a good amount of Nutella on my toast because I love chocolate. Oh, yum. I reckon putting Nutella and peanut butter on the toast together would be yummy, but I'll do that in the morning. Oh, this is good. I'm gonna eat some. Yum. Yum. It just means I've got to use tongs to get the toast off of the sandwich maker. Okay. I highly recommend not using a toaster and instead using a sandwich maker to make toast. Yum. I'm definitely getting thick toast again. After using my sandwich press to cook a couple of bits of bread, I'm never using a toaster again. I will never use a toaster again. Yum. What I will be doing tomorrow is putting banana on bread and making toasted sandwiches by simply putting the bread on the fucking sandwich maker and just toasting it for several minutes. Oh, yum. And so if I wanted cold meat on toast but I didn't want the meat heated up, I would just put the bread on the sandwich press and toast it, and then get it out or get it off the sandwich maker and then butter it and put meat on there. Cold meat. Yum. That's it. I am definitely
96% battery power. Not charging. Status bar item.
I'm definitely doing toast for breakfast. Again. And I'm going to do some poached egg in the microwave because I love my poached eggs with toast. Oh, yum. That is so nice. That was just a little snack before bed. I am definitely doing eggs on toast in the morning. It means I've got to literally do the toast on the sandwich maker and then put the eggs on there, but that does not bother me at all.
Pause. Button.
It just doesn't bother me. So, you know, I'm just going to wash these tongs and I'm going to have them ready for my toast in the morning. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. I obviously have to wash off the sandwich press. I'm going to make sure it's still too hot. Too hot. Just going to unplug it. Oh, it is really hot. Fuck, it's boiling. It is really, really hot. Just going to clean it off. I always unplug it, so if I have to touch it, I don't accidentally turn the PowerPoint on and electrocute myself. That's one thing that I don't want to do, is accidentally get electrocuted. Like, I'm really careful with that. And, yeah, I can now cook my toast evenly because the fucking normal toasters don't even work after a while. Like, they just fully stop working, and I had to fully ditch my toaster. And I'm eventually getting a benchtop hot and cold chiller, so then I don't have to worry about getting cold water out of the fridge. I know it's going to cost a bit of money, but I'm saving up for it. And I'm definitely going to get it. I'm going to clean up my bench space and get the cleaners when they turn up to help me clean up. And, yeah, I'm definitely getting one of those, hot and cold water tanks. And, yeah, then I'll be very happy when anyone says, could I please have cold water? I'll just be like, yeah, cold water's over here. And I will even put a touch dot for anyone who's blind or can't see properly, whatever. For my regular subscriber who knows who they are, I will be putting a touch dot on the cold water button. So if you feel both taps, the one with the touch dot is the cold water. So that way you don't accidentally press the wrong one. And burn yourself. And I'm going to do it for me, and I'm going to do it for anyone else who needs a touch dot. So that way, if they're wondering what the cold water tap is, it'll have the sticker on it. Press the button with the sticker. I'm thinking for the hot one, I might make... What will I put on the hot one? Probably nothing. Or maybe... Oh dear. Maybe I'll leave that tap blank and just leave a touch dot on the cold water tap. I don't know the ins and outs of maintaining it. I know it has to be cleaned out every so often to stop build-up of algae in the water and a build-up of mould and all that sort of rubbish. And when there's a power outage, that urn isn't going to work at all, so I would have to use my filter jugs, and I would need to put water into the filter jugs and let it filter through to the bottom, and then tip filtered water into the saucepan, or if I get a camping kettle, I would put water into the camping kettle and then I would boil it on the gas stove. I would boil it. I would just do that, and we'd have hot water for tea and coffee and other drinks, no matter what the weather does. I would just make sure that there's nothing around that the gas will catch on fire, because you're meant to keep the stove at least 1 metre away from other things. And oh God, I'm going to save a fuckload of money now that I don't need another toaster oven, and I won't get rid of the water jugs because they are useful. And that way, when I've got this hot and cold urn, I won't need the bloody water filter jugs as often. So, I'm very happy. And what else? I'm thinking if I don't get this urn this week, I'll get it in like a couple of weeks, but I'm definitely getting one. I'm definitely getting one, and after that I'm going to let my money save up and buy a talking air fryer, not with the NDIS, and get a talking stovetop, not with the NDIS, and I don't know what else I'll be getting not with the NDIS. Oh God, I can finally have toast for the first time without ever burning the bloody stuff. And you can cook it for as long as or as little as you want. If you just want it to be on the sandwich press for 2 minutes or 4 minutes, or if you want burnt toast, like, I don't care, just, cook it. In any case, I've done with my cooking tonight. I'm quite happy with what I can do with my sandwich press. I was going to take an antihistamine tonight, but I don't reckon I need one somehow. I don't think I need one. I think...
Messages. Clock, 8:02 p.m.
Oh, it's only 8 o'clock.
Amazon. See, Recorder HQ. Edit
Okay.
mode. Recorder HQ. Pause. Stop. Button.
That's alright, I can just take a sleeping pill tonight. I thought I was going to need to take an antihistamine instead of a sleeping pill, but I think I can take one of my herbal. It's a dietary supplement, even though it's bloody... It makes me tired. And there's no track work happening tonight, so I might actually fall asleep. So I'm going to finish this recording, and I'll be up in the morning to do toast with eggs. Yum. Yum. I'll definitely be getting sausages too, because I want some yummy steamed veggies and sausages tomorrow. What else? So I've got to do my shopping real quick and ring up the bloody cleaning company and all that. I'm glad I've got a normal routine for having toast for brekkie. I don't just have to have cereal, I can have toast. Yum. Or I can have pretty much whatever now, because, my cooking routine is back to normal. And I'm glad I got rid of the other support worker that I didn't like several weeks ago, because they were trying to make me change doctors and stealing things from my home, which they can't do that anymore, and I won't need to change doctors. So I don't know how they thought stealing stuff from my home was going to make me change doctors, as if that was going to make the doctor stop providing medical care because I keep losing stuff. It's like, it doesn't work that way somehow. But anyway, I hope everyone is having a good day or night. I'm going to get ready for sleep, and there's literally nothing going on outside tonight. I honestly hate track work, so I'm glad it's not happening now, because it's fucking annoying. Yeah. I will be back tomorrow morning when I have gotten up to get ready for breakfast. Because yeah, being able to cook toast on my sandwich press and actually have egg on toast is amazing. And I got rid of the toaster, so I have more room on the kitchen bench now. And when I get this new urn, I can then get rid of the kettle off my bench as well. So then I'll have more bench space for whatever else I want up there. So I'm quite happy with my new home arrangements. Nothing is being stolen from my medication stash that I've got from the doctors and pharmacy. That's all I'm concerned about. Nothing's gonna happen like that again, or at least as far as I can help it, it shouldn't happen again. And every time support workers do the wrong thing, I get rid of them. So yeah, with that said, I will get going, and I will freaking crash soon, and I will talk to you guys in the morning when I get up.
Speech on. Stop button.